Hi again. We will be looking at a second use case. Um, if you have not seen the first use case, which also contains instructions or guide on how to get on board, you can check that out while um, or before proceeding to the second video. All right, so I'll just be moving on straight to my ID to show us what the code looks like and what we are expecting to build. So the second use case is a property booking hub. So this time around, we are making use of Calendly. Like I said before, we have several integrations that we can use. This time, before we use, I mean, for the first use case, which is the solar um, estimator, we made use of Paystack to make payments, and then now we'll be making use of Calendly. So it's quite simple. The first part, import our libraries. We make use of our API key, which is still the same API key that we used from the first video. Again, if you don't know how to set up your API, you can check the previous um, video. Okay, then we um, move on to describe our agent. So we assume that the agent has not been created before, and then we are creating the agent from scratch. So we have to um, give our agents the role and add some context as well as um, moving on to giving the description. So we are making use of Calendly, like I said before. So that will help us make bookings, let us know what dates is available and what time is available for our property booking. And then we have our print statements that lets us know when our agent has gone live. So we just have to run the file, the Python file. Um, so this time around, just the um, second file, which is property booking.py. Then we see that our agent went live successfully. So we'll head on to BimpeAI dashboard. This time around, the first agent was the Luminary Solar bot. This time around, is the Fly Swift property booking. So Fly Swift is our company name. Then it's supposed to be a property booking agent. Now the um, playground is quite simple. It's just a way for you to test your agent. So you can just say hi, what can you help with? So this just instead of checking or instead of testing on Instagram or WhatsApp, you can do your testing here in the playground. So it tells us, hey, we have elite shortlet apartments through Fly Swift luxury estates. If you are looking for a specific property, you can, you know, schedule, let us know the time you need it, and we'll know if um, it would be available at that time. So integrations is quite simple. Is Calendly. Before we made use of Paystack this time around Calendly. So you just configure using the Calendly MCP server. It's pretty much simple. You just connect your Calendly accounts, in quotes, your business accounts to um, BimpeAI, and then it does all the rest of the work for you. So we move on to deploy. Like we did before, we just generate code and then we copy this to our agent. So we copy that and then I'm sending that start message alongside the code to Bingpe AI WhatsApp chatbot. So close this a bit. Alright, so I just switched to I just switched to a new agent. It says I can start chatting. So I need a shortlet. Sorry. So what are the available options? Okay, so let's wait for the response for this. So it tells us, oh, thank you for the inquiry about the shortlet options. We have 3 bedroom ocean view penthouse at this location. Then the open viewing. So it just tells us, okay, these are the available um, apartments that you can get, and this is the time that you'll be able to clock in. So this is our available time because these times are not closed yet on our Calendly or on our calendar, as the case may be. So this is how this agent works. Of course, you can still add some more knowledge base. You can still integrate some more um, integrations. You can still add whatever service, say Shopify, for you to just like see a picture of what the shortlets or the apartments look like. You can add Paystack or Stripe for payments, as the case may be. So that will be it for us on this second use case.